Hello.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Let me share you the screen today. Let's see what you have done. We need to correct the pictures. Okay, so let's see. The first one, that was the example. Number 2, you said will happen, and that will be in the afternoon, which is correct. Number 3, Holly and her friend's going to play. No, it's not them, but the other team that's going to play football together. And that was number 3 in the morning as well. Number 4 was another. Sorry, let me just there we go. Okay, and then number 3, you said will happen in the morning, and that is correct. Number 4 won't happen. They won't play a tennis match. Very good. And number 6, listen carefully. That would be in the afternoon, okay? Because after lunch is in the afternoon, okay? How late do you think is lunch? Do you know, Min? What time would you think is lunch every day?
I don't know.
Don't know. Okay. So remember that lunch is always from 12 p.m. Okay. And from 12, it is from 12, it is in the afternoon. Okay. So they said after lunch, which is probably between 12, 1 o'clock, 2 p.m., depending on when they have lunch. But lunch is always any time after 12 and maybe perhaps before 3 or 4 p.m. because then it starts to get evening. Okay. You understand?
Okay.
Great. And so this is going to be in the afternoon. Then, if we look at number 7, so the difference between number 6 and number 7 is that number 7, it will also happen. No, let's go on. Number 7 will also happen in the afternoon. Okay. Oh my word, that's an ugly one. Let me just add it over here. Will also happen in the afternoon. But number 7 happens first, okay? Because they are going to say who won the matches or all the prizes. And then in number 6, as you can see, the players are walking on the stage. Okay, so 7, but that's okay. 7 happens first, 6 second, but that's not something you would need to know, okay? Number 8 was someone that you needed to listen out for carefully, okay? Because she said that she is going to do that, okay? But it's going to happen in the morning, okay?
Okay.
Yes, remember they asked her, now when will that happen? She said, oh, in the morning, okay? So if I just put that, it would be in the morning. And then number 9, yes, it will not happen. Now, if we go back to number 2, we are going to draw lines to match the question tags to the correct sentences, okay? And this is about tag questions. Okay,
Okay.
tag questions. Yes. Now, if we look at number 1, it's going to be a great day, isn't it? Let's look at number 2. We can't see all the competitions.
Can't we?
Can we? Very good. Now, before we go on, I just want to tell you again. So tag questions is like something you want to make sure about. For example, will you learn next week? Or tag questions would be, you will learn next week, won't you? Okay. So it's something that we know will happen, but you are just making sure about it. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So for example, we can't see, can we? Or you will have class, won't you? Okay, you understand tag questions?
Okay.
So let's see. Number 3, can you start read for us number 3, please?
We're going to have a good time, aren't we?
There we go, aren't we? Okay, number 4. We aren't.
We aren't very good at running, Katie.
Why is it so big? I want it to be smaller. We aren't very good at running, Katie. We aren't. So what would it be?
Are we?
There we go. Are we? Okay, can you read that for us again?
We aren't good at running, Katie, are we?
Very good. Number 5, George.
Number 5, George and Harry are going run fast, aren't they?
Aren't they? Very good. I'm not sure why is it so big. I made it smaller.
Harry doesn't run very fast, does he?
Very good.
You play football. You play volleyball well. Why don't you?
Well done.
It isn't very sunny today, is it?
Very good. Okay. Now I just want to add it all over here. Okay. Aren't you? There we go. Very good. Okay. Then we are going to look at a conversation. Okay. First, we are going to listen to it, and then we are going to act it at the end, okay? Just like the other one that we did previously, I think last week. We are going to listen and read this one. I am going to be Mr. Brown, Mrs. Brown, and you are going to be Holly, okay?
Okay.
Great.
Listening 27. Listen and read, then act.
Hello, Holly. So, who do you think is going to win the 200-metre race?
The race is finished. George has already won.
Oh dear. Never mind. Did you see the volleyball match?
It hasn't started yet. It starts at 3 o'clock.
Oh, good. What time's the football match?
The football match has just started, Mum.
Oh, no.
Well, you're very late.
I know. I'm sorry. I couldn't find my house key.
Oh no, not again, Mum.
Yes. And now I've lost my car key.
Okay, so let's read this one quickly, okay? So they are talking about being at the sports day, but the mother is late for everything. Hello, Holly. So who do you think is going to win the 200-meter race? You are Holly, like I said.
The race has finished. George had already won.
Oh dear, never mind. Did you see the volleyball match?
It hasn't started yet. It starts at 3 o'clock.
Oh, good. What time's the football match?
The football match has just started. Mom.
Started?
Mom.
Oh no.
Well, you're very late.
I know. I'm sorry. I couldn't find my house key.
Oh no, not again, Mom.
Yes. And now I've lost my car key. Very good. Okay. Then we are gonna make sentences. I think this is our last activity. I'm not sure. I don't think we will get to something else after this before the time is up. But in this activity, as you can see on the bottom, is the present perfect. Okay. The present perfect tense with the word yet. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So it's like something, as you know, present now. Okay. But perfect. You didn't start it yet. Do you hear that? Okay.
Okay.
Great. If we look at number one, we need to make sentences, okay? They are mixed and matched. We need to basically unscramble them, okay? And we need to match them with each pictures, okay? With each picture, there's 6 of them. So as you can see, the word has, Mrs. Brown, the school, just, at, arrived. We need to then match them or correct them and then match them with a picture. And as you can see, it says, Mrs. Brown has just arrived at the school. And that would be F. Okay, let's look at number 2. Make or made cakes, the parents already, snacks, and have. Okay, what would that sentence be? What do you think? I will help you with the first one. The parents
have already made cakes and snacks.
Have already made cakes and snacks. Very good. What?
Mm,
No, I want to move it. There we go.
F.
Okay, but number one is already F. As you can see, she's already at school.
Oh,
Yes. What do you think?
I thought it's 4 or 2.
Okay, look carefully. I'll give you time to think about it.
D.
D.
Yes.
Very good. There we
So
go. It's D. Now it's too small. Why? Sorry, let me just make it bigger.
The teachers have just tidied the classrooms.
Very good. The teachers just tidied the classroom. Before we go on, Min, I want to ask you, what do you think does the word tidied mean? What do you think?
Was clean the room.
Yes, but what does tidy mean? Oh, clean the room?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Well done. Okay. And which letter? Which letter do you think matches with that one?
B.
Very good. Okay. Number 4.
Number 4 is the children already have put flags in the playground. E.
Very good. But I want you to look at your sentence for a moment. The children already have
Oh,
flags.
the children have already put flags in the
There we
playground.
go. Have already put flags in the playground. Then we are looking at number 5.
The parents have already paid for the tickets.
Paid for their
C.
tickets. And you say C, very good. Well done. Okay, then we have the last one, number 6.
The head teacher hasn't given their prizes.
The head teacher. Okay, start from the beginning. The head teacher hasn't
given the children their prizes yet. A.
And that would be A. Very good. There we go. Well done. I mean, okay, let me quickly see if there's another activity we need to still complete. So that was number 1. And the next one is our listening. but that might be too long. 5, 2. Yes. I think we will look at this listening activity on next week's lesson, okay? Because it is about 2.5 minutes long, and they are talking about giving or they are talking to the children and the parents about the prizes, okay?
Okay.
Yes. So I think we will continue with that on next week, Wednesday's lesson. I will make a note. Let me make a note quickly about continuing. Continue with page 67. Our listening. Okay, and that was track number 28. Yes, and on page 67. Yes. Okay. I think we will stop right there because there's only 5 minutes left until 8 p.m. and that's when our lesson ends, and we might not get done with the activity, okay?
Okay.
Great. I hope you have a great evening. Enjoy the rest of your holiday, and then until I see you next week, okay?
Okay.
Great. Be safe. Enjoy. Goodbye, Min.
Goodbye, teacher.